Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss electrochemical series. So I am going to tell you about the characteristics of electrochemical series. So let's begin the topic. So first point is stronger reducing agents are above hydrogen. So students, see, these are the electrochemical series. Here there is in the middle hydrogen is present. Okay, in the middle there is hydrogen, zero electrode potential. So the below they are having, students see, stronger reducing agents are below hydrogen. So you can see here, as you go down the reducing agent it become more stronger. Okay, they have negative values of standard reduction potential. Here you can see all the values below hydrogen are having negative values. So the most negative value is here of lithium. So it is the most strongest reducing agent, you can say that. Then next is positive value of reduction potential. Then you can see some positive values above hydrogen. So these are weak reducing agent, you can say. Stronger oxidizing agents are above hydrogen. Those which are above hydrogen, they are stronger oxidizing agents. Metals on bottom. You can see here some metals are there below hydrogen. They have the tendency to lose electrons readily, and they are the active metals. You must know that those which are below hydrogen, they are the metals, and they are also a strong reducing agent, and you know that metals lose electrons. Okay, the non-metals, they are above the hydrogen. They have the positive values of, you can see here, having positive value of standard reduction potential. They have the tendency to accept electrons. They are active non-metals. So here the most active non-metal is fluorine. It is having the most positive value of standard reduction potential. So next interesting thing is, students, how to know anode and cathode. Okay, how to recognize it. You remember, student, suppose you are given one negative sign of reduction potential value, one positive value. I can show one example. Here you can see one is having negative sign for reduction potential value, another positive sign. So for example, I have taken zinc. Zinc is having minus 0.76. Copper is having 0.34. What I said, those which have negative value, they act as anode. So here zinc is anode. Okay, and positive value is here copper. So it is cathode. Another thing, sometimes you will see there is both the electrodes are negative reduction potential. So the higher negative value will act as anode. Here I can show you potassium and suppose sodium. Potassium will act as anode and sodium will act as cathode. Okay. Student, now I am going to discuss a question related to electrochemical series. So see the question. Predict whether the following reaction will occur spontaneously or not. The reaction is Fe plus 3 plus 2 Cl minus gives Fe plus Cl2, and both the reduction potential values are given here of Fe plus 3 and Cl. So you know that whether a reaction is spontaneous or not, we have to calculate its E naught value. That should be positive. So you know the formula, E naught cell E cathode minus E anode. So here we have to recognize the cathode and anode, right? So you know that already that negative value is always anode and positive value is cathode. So here chlorine is cathode and iron Fe plus 3 is anode. So write the values there. Cathode 1.36 and this is minus 0.440, 1.36 plus minus plus 0.44, 0 8 1.80 volt. Okay, so you can see here the E0 cell is positive, so the reaction will occur and it is spontaneous. Okay, question is the standard reduction potential value at 25 degrees as a standard condition it is given for the following half reaction. You have to find out the strongest reducing agent. So see here, zinc, chromium, copper and Fe3 plus, all the values of reduction potential are given. So you know that the more the negative reduction potential, it is more strongest reducing agent. So you have to find out the more negative reducing agent. So you can see here, these are positive values and these two are negative value. The more negative is zinc. So zinc will be the strongest reducing agent.